Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn off the app drawer on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So what we want to do is turning off this app drawer or the app screen. So to do so, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings page, you want to go down and tap on home screen. Then tap on home screen layout. Next, go down and tap on home screen only, and this will put all the apps on your home screen. Now tap on the apply button, and that's it. So now you can see all of the apps will be placed on my home screen and the app drawer is now gone. So if I swipe up, it will not open up the app drawer anymore. Instead, it will open my window finder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channels for more videos.